Waste management is increasingly important due to the rapid growth of the human population. A larger population uses more resources and therefore produces more waste. So how has an increase in the standard of living affected waste? An increase in the standard of living also means more resources are used and need to be disposed of. We are constantly making and replacing a lot of products, for example, electrical goods, chemicals, and packaging. More packaging and more things means more waste is produced. Why is it important to manage waste correctly? Waste management is vital as more pollution will be caused if waste and chemical materials are not properly handled. Waste can take up a lot of space if it's not carefully managed. More waste leads to more pollution, and it also means that less land is available. Improper waste management can lead to reduced land availability for most organisms.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!